Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows 10 build and creating a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, back up important files to an external drive or cloud. Then open Device Manager and scan the list for yellow warnings or unknown devices. This first pass tells you which drivers need attention and which are already current, so you focus only on problem devices rather than reinstalling everything unnecessarily. Now you update drivers methodically. Check the device maker's support page for the exact model and download the latest WHQL signed driver or run Windows Update for automatic installs. Make sure you compare version numbers to avoid downgrades. Install drivers one device at a time, following the vendor installer, and reboot when prompted to finalize kernel-level components. If installing multiple drivers, stagger reboots so you can verify. Finally, verify each updated driver in Device Manager under Properties to confirm the new version and that the device is functional. If something breaks, roll back the driver from the same Properties tab or uninstall and reinstall the correct package. Make sure to boot into safe mode if a driver prevents normal startup and use your restore point or system restore to revert system-wide changes. If issues persist, download an older stable driver from the manufacturer and install it to regain system stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.